We now have a farm forestry question. Beth wants to know how you approach researching what's in demand to plant and harvest from a farm forestry system. It seems like identifying high value products would be a necessary part of the success of such a farm. After identifying the desired yields, how do you determine where to contact the industry to get our products to market? Well, it has to be something that's locally in demand ideally. This is a hoop pine I planted 18 years ago. It's a tiny little tree, and now it's a pretty straight piece of timber, and it won't be long, maybe 10, 12 years, could be milled as a high quality softwood. Just behind me over here, I have a silky oak. Now this is a light demanding rainforest tree, has a very high quality timber, quite a hard wood, has a little speckle in it. It's a beautiful furniture timber, window frame timber, windowsill timber, bench timber. Very high value, definitely in demand. People love the look of this timber. It's probably a 25 to 50 year harvest, and you could let it go further. Now in amongst this, there's lots of other things. You can see the bamboo behind me is another type of timber, and a lot of the bamboo can be used as fuel. If I go over this way, we have an understory here of coffee in amongst the forest. That's definitely in demand. You don't have to worry about that one. Organic understory forest coffee is in great demand. Very high quality price for that. Over here, I have a bunya pine. This is a native tree of Australia. Has a huge nut, which is a whole food. And when they get mature, they're a bit slower, of course. We've got a great product. It takes about 18 years. My first ones are starting to fruit now. But as a timber, it's a very fine grained softwood that's very good for beehive frames because it's light and it doesn't twist. And on you go. There are many, many products that you can see would be locally in demand, and they can be diversely marketed in the local region. Once you get to that end game product, a little bit behind me, there's a very tall tree with hardly any branches. It's a Davidson Plum. It's a native coliform tree, and it has fruit on the trunk, and it's a bit sour as fresh fruit, but makes a fantastic jam. And so because that's a native Australian, what we call bush tucker, it's in great demand as a preserve. So we've got nuts, we've got preserves, we've got coffee, we've got different qualities of timber, and on and on and on. There's all sorts of products you can choose. There's no shortage because very few people are doing diverse, productive local forestry.